What is a JavaScript switch statement? Imagine you are trying to decide what to do based on the weather outside. You could use many if statements, but there is a cleaner way to handle multiple options. That way is with a switch statement. A JavaScript switch statement is a control flow tool that helps you run different pieces of code depending on a single value. It checks one expression and compares it to several possible values called cases. When it finds a match, it runs the code for that case. This makes your code easier to read and organize, especially when you have many options. Here is how it works. First, you write the switch keyword, then put the expression you want to check inside parentheses. Inside the curly braces, you add multiple case blocks. Each case has a value to compare against the expression. If the value matches, the code under that case runs. To stop the code from running into the next case, you add a break statement after each block. If none of the cases match, you can add a default block that runs as a fallback. For example, imagine you want to display a message based on the day of the week. You could write a switch statement like this: switch day, case Monday, console log start of the work week, break case Friday, console log end of the work week, break default console log a regular day. This checks the value of the variable day. If it is Monday, it shows a message about starting the week. If it is Friday, it says the week is ending. For any other day, it just says it is a regular day. It is important to include break statements after each case. Without them, JavaScript continues executing the code in the next case, which is called fallthrough. Sometimes fallthrough is useful if you want multiple cases to run the same code, but usually, you want to stop after a match. Switch statements are especially helpful when you have a variable that can take many different values and you want to handle each one differently. They make your code cleaner and easier to follow than writing many if and else if statements. They are a key part of controlling how your program makes decisions based on data. In summary, a JavaScript switch statement is a way to check a single value against many options. It runs the code for the matching case and stops there, making your code more organized and readable. Whether you are building a game, a form, or a menu, understanding how to use switch statements will help you write better control flow in your web development projects.